Electromagnetism is a study of the electromagnetic force. In other words, electromagnetism is the interaction of electric fields and energy. It was invented in the 19th century and is widely used in the common-day devices such as an Apple iPhone. It is widely known for the waves that occur on the electromagnetic spectrum. Many other forms of energy, such as ultraviolet, radio waves, and infrared and X-rays, all work along the electromagnetic spectrum to some extent. Electricity is produced by the changing of a magnetic field. If we put this to real life, it ties into simple things that humans don't know we do. For example, when humans perform an X-ray, it uses the electromagnetic waves. Radio waves are mostly and commonly used in TV and radio. The radio waves go through a small process through your TV or radio, creating the sound and the image. This is nearing the high end of the electromagnetic spectrum. Another waveform of the electromagnetic spectrum is radar. Nearing the low energy point of the spectrum, it is most commonly used to track objects on land or in the sky. Airplanes use it all the time when tracking, so they do not crash into planes that they do not see. The electromagnetic spectrum has its high points, most commonly known as the gamma rays, which have a higher frequency and higher energy, whereas its low points, mostly known as AM waves and short waves, have a smaller frequency and lower energy passing through them.
Now, the electromagnetic spectrum has many uses. For instance, the force of a bar magnet has enough connecting force to power a ring of copper wire, but there is that of another use for magnets that have a use far more important than the use they have now. For instance, if you put, let's say, 8 magnets in a circular structure, it can create electricity creating your own little generator without having the cost of polluting the environment. Also, another thing I found out is it's very hard to stop them once they are in motion. So they will get faster, thus making them more powerful. This will also make electric cars more reliable, cities more clean, and more productive factories, making overall a better world in general. The way the generator works is by each magnet trying to come together, forcing the wheel to turn to get a high enough RPM to generate electricity. The conclusion is, if we change our cities and factories' power sources, we will have a cleaner environment, meaning that it will have a huge effect on our world today.